Sinovac, Sinopharm, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, Moderna, and AstraZeneca are all WHO-approved vaccines that are accepted when traveling to Guyana. However, Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony, in his daily COVID-19 update, said other vaccines are accepted as well. He noted that when there is doubt, airlines can seek guidance from the Health Ministry.
In addition to WHO-approved vaccine, we are, of course, accepting persons who have Sputnik. There are persons who have been traveling in from Cuba. They have the sombrero vaccine, and we have been accepting those as well. And there are some other vaccines that would be coming on stream, so if persons have them and they want to travel, they just need to seek guidance, and we'll be able to clear that. So for example, Novax is one of those vaccines that have undergone clinical trial, but they haven't received WHO approval as yet.
Since vaccination does not prevent infection but rather prevents a severe form of the disease and prevents hospitalization and death, a negative PCR test is still required when traveling to the country.
If we know that vaccinated person can still be infected and potentially carry the virus, it would mean that we still have to do testing. So that is the policy, that is what we have been doing, and that's what a lot of countries around the world have been doing. So you get your PCR tests, you also produce your vaccination records. In the case of Guyana, once you at least have your first dose of the vaccine, we accept you.
Children under 2 years old do not require a negative PCR test to travel to Guyana. However, those above this age are required to show their negative PCR. Minister Anthony noted that different jurisdictions have different requirements.
If you are going out, different jurisdictions require different types of tests. So generally, most countries would accept the PCR. In the case of the United States, they accept both PCR or an antigen test, but all other countries generally would ask for PCR testing.
With regards to vaccination requirements for domestic travel, Minister Anthony explained that the government's policy is that once a person is in a public space, they need to produce their vaccination card, and the airport is considered a public space. To date, government has recorded 69 imported COVID-19 cases.